Rastvatpadabjam Nijahati Pandito Yaste Vamana Vyavayamana Kitana Vishankayasyan Guru Archati Smayad Vinopapatim Manavashchachor. Any learned person knows that unless he worships you, his entire life is spoiled. Knowing this, how could he give up worshipping your lotus feet? Even our Father and spiritual Master, Lord Brahma, unhesitatingly worshipped you. So Prabhupada discusses this word Pandit. It means wise man. But who is actually, what is the definition of wisdom? Krishna defines that in Bhagavad Gita. Who is actually a wise man? Krishna says, Vasudeva Savamati Samahatma Sadurlabham. There are many births and deaths, one is actually in knowledge. Surrenders unto me, knowing me to be the cause of all causes and all that be. A wise man strives for perfection in human life. And Srila Prabhupada describes the nature of that perfection. The chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra and preaching the chanting of this mantra constitute the perfection of life.